All right. Um, man, the audio is like really loud in my headphones. Oh, there we go. Can't even hear myself think. Okay, I'm still making coffee. I said I was gonna be ready in 30 minutes, but I really wasn't. So let me get Twitch chat up real quick. Um, oh man, GitHub's live. What? Oh man, Teach is still live. That's crazy. Man, he's so early. You know. All right, there we go. Okay, I'll be back. Hold on, 1 second, 1 second. Let me mute this real quick. Let me just turn this down. There we go. All right, best streamer ever. Right on time. What am I? 10 minutes. 10 minutes late. Oh man, it's like you think like, oh, when I'm older, I'm gonna be like, I can do whatever I want. You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. But then you realize, like, actually, I can't do whatever I want to do. You know, like that's not a thing. What was I doing? You don't really have like I don't really have like super control over my time. You know what I mean? No, it says 39 minutes. I think I'm okay. Let me yeah, let me Oh my gosh, are you serious? Dude, Twitter is just like probably on for the next hour. There we go. Okay, yeah. Now that everything is done, right? Um as a library maintainer, oh shoot, let me see this. Oh my gosh, are you serious? React server components. The tat are worth the pain being inflicted. Break server. Okay. I love this. Like everyone's happy when like you're rendering everything on the client, but once you start rendering on the client and the server, or at least yeah, like people are super upset. That's so weird. That's so weird. I mean, there's definitely less cognitive overload. Like my ideal web framework um, is something like this, where like you can just think in events, right? Like you could think in like on click and stuff. Um, but oh, let me make sure. Let me make sure I did this right. Layout one. What is it? Oh, I didn't even. I was. Um, yeah. Did I change this? Yeah, client Reddit. Yeah. Mod Prog. Thank you for the follow. I didn't even see that. Oh, and um, wait, is this like diode but with hex, right? Diode. That's pretty cool. And Mr. Dog 80 and Hyperborax and Pinbox. I don't even see this. People just follow me when I'm not even live. It's crazy. I do it too though. I do it too. All right, it looks like the bit rate's okay. Like I look like I'm all right. So yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, yeah, but my ideal web framework is something like this, where you can like think in events, right? Which is I think what people want. Like what happens when I click this button? That's much more like natural than like this link transports me some other place and I'm going to have to like use the view transitions like CSS stuff to like stitch them together. Like it's a higher level, like links and hypertext is like a higher level thing of thinking. It's like markdown, hypertext, in this case HTML, and then it's like thinking in like GUI like frameworks like level. It's like imperative, and like more HTML is like more declarative, right? And I think that's why people don't like SQL, and they also because it's also declarative, and people also don't like using HTML. Like they don't like templates and all that stuff. I mean, I honestly don't like it either. Um, but I mean, I don't know. It yeah. Um, it's just a higher level and it's like more abstracted, and I think that's why like anchor tags and forms are like really weird to think about, but events are so natural. You're like, okay, what happens when I click this button? Okay, this function gets run, right? And so my ideal web framework would like let you be imperative, but like make you like think that you what you're doing. It would make you think what you're writing is imperative, but it would like actually abstract away all the stuff. So like you would be rendering HTML on the server like React server components, right? So like here, you would like render this stuff, right? Just like normal. But when it comes to like buttons and events, the events are going to be compiled away. So like the proc macro, this RSX proc macro is like only rendering on the server ever. And then when you do an on click, or like some kind of event, you don't have to specify it, but that happens up here separately. I mean, it's like co-located in the same component, but it happens separately. And then the framework would like compile away. So like each function would be have a macro, like a component macro or something, and then you could like do what dioxus does. So it's dioxus is so close. Like it's you would do like what dioxus does, right? With the inline component, it would basically give you inline props, and it would also like take this stuff and make sure that it only runs on the client. But I know that Demata said something like they want to be able to like target where you like render the virtual DOM, and that's I think that's one of the things. Like people are upset about the virtual DOM, but honestly, like it is so powerful because Dioxys went from zero point 0.2 to 0.3 and they added live view. And so like now you're rendering the virtual DOM like um completely in on the server, right? Which is crazy. Like it just sends over events and like the state and then it like can render. Um so that's pretty wild. Yeah, actually, I think the Axis might actually render in the because there's only 30K of JavaScript in live view, so um, it's definitely not like rendering on the client. I don't think, but yeah, so that's like yeah, everything gets running, all the HTML gets running on the server, and then when you events just get like sent back to you, but it feels like this, like you have components and it feels like React, but like the separation of like it's essentially like essentially I want live view but without WebSockets, right? Like I essentially want live view, but like instead of over WebSockets, just do regular HTTP post requests. Like so, if I could combine like Dioxys live view with server functions somehow, and only ship like a tiny bit of JavaScript, but have all the events instead of going over the WebSocket go over regular HTTP, that would be incredible. But the thing is, like the events that you're writing, like you'd have to actually ship them to the front end. Yeah, I don't know. Actually, as I was like thinking about this stream, like I just thought about this. Like I am so much more productive with live view, but I did try out my uptime monitor with live view on iOS Safari, and it is aggressive. Like it's super freaking aggressive. Like it it freaking it closes the WebSocket like constantly, which is a bummer. Um, every time I navigate away, the WebSocket closes in like 15 seconds or like 10 seconds or something. And then so I have to like I either have to like live with it and write just a bit of custom JavaScript to do back when the event comes back on. Uh JS event listener live view Safari iOS. Um let's see. Maybe we'll just do like live view because I saw a thing that was like a good idea. Oh, here we go on Elixir. Yeah. Um, yeah. I mean, I do still like live view, and I think it basically solves all my problems. But I might just need to like suck it up and like just like add some stuff on top. Um, yeah. None of the form interactions. Yeah. Block all cookies by default. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is um yeah, live views reloading. Yeah, exactly. That was my main problem. And it feels kind of jank, but like I don't know, maybe I'm just imagining it like but I definitely would like to do on change events without having to send it all to the server. Which I mean like use eval with live view might actually solve my problems. I don't know. It's just really nice to have one place where all the action happens. And it would be nice if it was a little more efficient, but like I cannot complain like at all. Let's see, use eval. Yeah, so there's like use eval for live view, right? And then basically what yeah, what they want to do is um expose the user turn. Yeah, what they want to do is so you can like run JavaScript on the client when you want to. The other thing I could do if I because like usually I just want to like click a button and have something show up that's already there on the client. So I don't want to like go back to the server to like re-render. So I guess what I could do is like use the checkbox hack, right? Which is I think what live view does. So maybe iOS disconnecting all WebSockets when background. Yeah, it definitely does. The solution is to make sure the app can go back to that step even on reload. I usually show the success of every step in the session. Yeah, I also don't have access to the session either though. Like in the WebSocket thing. Hmm. I see. So yeah, I'd probably have to use like Ajax or something. Um, yeah, like what is it? iOS, Safari iOS, like event listener, on focus tab or something. I don't know. What is it? There we go. How to detect. Yes. Depending on what you need a variety of techniques. Oh my gosh. Okay. By looking at this page, what is this page? Oh, look at this. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that was animation end. Visibility change. Let's try it again. Oh, okay. So window visibility change, right? Um, so if I do this, so the window was blurred, visibility change happened, and then focus happened. And then visibility changed again. So I think with window visibility change and blur, I can disconnect the WebSocket myself and have a little control. And then I think like I can reconnect on visibility change instead of trying to like reconnect um like with a retry, which is what I did. You know what? Let's try that. I just want to try that real quick because that might actually solve my problems. I might be overthinking this. I am gonna do I'm gonna get to the I am gonna get to the what was I doing with temp? What the heck was I doing? I don't even know. Cat source temp. Oh yeah. I was thinking about serializing everything as one thing, but I already did I already did the database stuff. Who cares? It's fine. Okay, so main and then mod temp. Yeah, don't need that. Okay, so that should be everything that I have here. Cargo watch X live view. Yeah, so one thing, yeah, so what was I gonna try? Oh yeah, I was gonna do the window focus thing. Yeah, I don't actually mind like writing a little JavaScript to like get it to work. After I copied out the stuff and I took control of it, it's actually not that bad. But I think that like changing the root HTML is probably a bad idea. I might actually do something like reconnecting in the top right corner. That might be something a little better. Let's see. If the root is not empty, then replace it, and then yeah, it's gonna do that. Yeah, I think doing it on main is probably gonna be like kind of flickery, but we'll see. Probably be a little flickery, you know. Okay, so let me yeah, let's just look at it, right? Okay. Oh, I changed the UI so it's not so horrible, which is kind of cool. Um, yeah. Also, I feel like CSS animations are pretty much all I need. You know, I feel like I don't want to go crazy. You know, this is good enough. I feel like it you don't lose the context. You know what I'm saying? Like you see it move, and it's fast. It feels fast, right? It's just CSS, so that's good. Okay, so let me see. When I disconnect, okay, so it definitely it definitely went away. I don't want it to go away. I don't want it to go away until it reconnects. So serialize, initialize, right? And I also don't, yeah, I actually don't want it to even try to reconnect. I want it to try to reconnect. Or I want it to ping, right? Um, but I don't even want it to try to reconnect on a timeout, right? Oh, maybe I do. I do want to try to reconnect on a timeout. But yeah, when it opens, serialize IPC message. Yeah, I should really install the. If I'm gonna have to be writing JavaScript, I should probably. Okay, and then post message. And then what's the send message? Okay, and then is there like an on receipt? Oh, on message. Here it is. Okay, edits query. Okay, handle edits. So I think yeah, I think here. So I did it in main, right? Yeah, I definitely don't want to do this, right? I mean, if I don't do it and I try to reconnect, it's just gonna like add on to it, right? Let me see. Okay, so it's trying to reconnect every second, and then it reconnects. Oh, there's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Um. Yeah. So let's. I think the right way to do this would be like on open maybe, and after this send is sent, right? I should probably have on message maybe. If message does not equal, yeah, maybe it's like this, right? Um, maybe it's only query. What is the? I don't even know what the event is. Let's try query, right? I think it might be query. I have no idea. It seems like a special case, right? Let me make sure that I've got like disable cache on here. Okay, I'll get to the Reddit thing. I swear. That was not it at all. that was query's not the one. Here, we'll just do this. Yeah, we'll just do it here. Right? I don't care what the event is. Okay, so let me refresh. Oh, that's not the right way either because it's on message. So maybe just on connect right here. Okay, so let's try disconnect and connect. Okay, yeah, that felt okay, right? Let's try disconnect again. Okay, so it's trying to connect, right? It's trying to connect. Let me make this bigger. There we go. Yeah, so it reconnected, but it felt like nothing happened, which is exactly what I want. I want it to be like transparent. Okay, so that's good. Now I just need to do window visibility change. But I think I need window blur. Let's just do window blur. Let's just start with window blur. Function on blur, right? Window on blur equals on blur. And on focus. Focus. Okay. Yeah. And then I'm going to actually try it on my phone live, I think, because I really need to see. Like desktop Safari is so much more forgiving, you know? Okay, let me see. Okay. All right. So on blur, I think what I want to do is like, I guess I don't really care to disconnect the WebSocket. Actually, yes, I do. I do care. How do I disconnect the WebSocket? Probably something like it takes a WebSocket and it does like disconnect or something. Probably. I have no idea. A close. It's probably close. Right. And then this one takes a WebSocket too. And then this one is like open, right? Is there actually like just an open? Oh, that's it, huh? Interesting. What does main do? New IPC. And then IPC. Oh my gosh, I really need to install the language server for this thing. Interpreter connect. I mean, that was my function that I did. And oh, it just says new WebSocket. Okay. So this is probably like what WebSocket, and it like returns a WebSocket, right? WebSocket. It's hard. It's hard to write dynamic languages now. That's horrible. All right, so this doesn't take a WebSocket. It actually makes a new WebSocket. Okay, so I think I could just call connect. Actually, I think I can call main, and then on blur, I think I could just call. I don't even. Let's just not do anything on blur, right? We can just check. We can make this. We can make main. It. Yeah, you know what? Well, let's. Will main? Let's try it. Let's just try it. Okay, so this is good. And then we can just say on focus equals on focus. Oops. Okay, and then we'll just not have it be anything for now. Okay, so it's still retrying, right? Okay, so now it's reconnected. Is it reconnected? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I ruined it. Oh, wait. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay, so I must have done something weird. Yeah, what if I just did this? On focus. Main. Yeah, that does nothing. But actually, you know what? Let's just try this. So we'll refresh, and then if I go away and I come back. Oh, apparently main doesn't. Apparently main's not firing. Okay. On focus. Console.log. On focus. Let's do on blur. Okay. Oh, I guess what I could do is move these into the IPC thing, right? Or I could just call window IPC, right? That's what I should do. Oh my gosh, of course. Window.ipc.w if window.ipc. Or I guess I'll just be more explicit, right? Window.ipc close. And then here we won't call main. Or maybe I do. I just want to call. I'll call main. Okay. That's probably what I was missing on blur. On blur. On blue? What is wrong with me? All right, let's try it. So then if I navigate away, come back. Definitely not what I wanted. Window, what is it? What? Maybe I have to do like window. Let's look at this stupid thing. What is it? What is the thing? Add. Target event name, no capture. I can't just do that. I have to say add event listener. Yeah, that's what I want to do. On focus. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. Okay. Even with that event listener, it's not working, huh? That's interesting. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's nothing. Man, what a bummer. What does it do? How am I doing this wrong? Target equals window. Target name window. Target add event listener. Yes. Um what is, oh, it's just focus. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. On blur. Blur. Okay. All right. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Let me just make this normal size so I could just do this all. Perfect. Okay, so I see blur, right? But for some reason, like, focus wasn't fired. That's interesting. Okay, so blur definitely disconnected. Um, oh, it's still it's still working. Okay, so that was a blur. That's crazy. I probably don't want to disconnect on blur because like anything out. Okay, so that's, oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this says focus. I think I can just do visibility change. And make it like, instead of two different events, I think I could just use visibility change, right? Yeah, let's try that. And then we can just do this. We can just JS check WebSocket open or not. Ready state equals open. Okay. Okay. Let's just do that. If window.apc, so we'll just do, what do I do? Window.apc.ws .ready state. If it's WebSocket.open, really? Is that a thing? Ready state of the, I search how much I know about WebSockets. Oh, it is. Oh, it is that. Ready state. Value is okay. Okay, so it's just, so we'll just say is, if it's open, do I want to close it? Yeah, let's close it. And then we'll just yeah. If it's closing, or if it's closed, closed, we'll do main, right? Okay. So probably something like this, I think. Right? Yeah, I'll make this a little, I should really install the thing that formats the code for me. TypeScript server, JavaScript language server. Okay. So that was not a visibility change or a blur or anything, which is nice. Okay, cool. So I can like click around and still do this. But if I focus away, right? Yeah, so here you could see it trying to connect. Okay, so I think this is working pretty well. It's not doing like duplicates or anything, which is good. Okay, so let me see. If I navigate away, yeah, you can see what does it do? Headers response upgrade. Okay, so it, for some reason, I think it's, let's look at this. I don't know why it's always reconnecting. Okay, if WebSocket is open, we'll just say if WebSocket is not closed, if WebSocket is open, right? Yeah, maybe we'll just leave that. It seems to be working pretty well. Like, I think I'm making more WebSocket connections than I need to. Um, Let me see. So that's closed, closed, closed. Okay, so there's only one open, which is good. But yeah, it seems like it's sending the events. It seems like it's sending the events multiple times, right? Which is not good. Let's look at this. Yeah, so it's definitely, yeah, it's not looking good. Okay, so I think what I want to do is just do nothing here. If it's closing or closed, I want to rerun main and that's it. Right? Yeah, but otherwise just do nothing. That's probably more of what I want. I think that's more of what I want. Let's see. Okay, so that nothing's happening, right? Okay, so it's not, so okay, it's still open. Okay, yes. So if I fire window dot, how do I freaking vanilla? I got vanilla JS trigger event, right? Creating and triggering events. MDN, let's do it. Add event dispatch. Oh man, that's what jQuery is saving you from all this time? Okay, so let's do the old fashioned way. Dispatch event. Wait, what? Oh, I see. There's actually a event. Events can be created, creating custom events. Adding custom data. That's crazy. Document create event. Okay, so this is just like an object, right? And so here we can say visibility change. Okay, and then we could say window dispatch event event. Okay, so that was true, and so but I don't see this disconnecting at all. Oh, because it's connected. Okay, so if I disconnect, right, and then I reconnect, so it still has the retry, right? And so now it's connected. And if I push this, yeah, it seems like it's still sending it twice. Interesting. It might be because I'm calling main again instead of just reconnecting. Because if this is all set up, I don't technically need to call main again. I don't need to do I don't need to do any of that stuff. What if I just what if I just call window.ipc.ws and I just if it's closed or closing, we'll just say new. Because I don't think oh, I need to call connect. And we can just I have the interpreter here. I mean, calling main again shouldn't just resend the same thing twice, right? Let's do post message. I'm actually kind of curious how this works now. I should probably abandon this, but here I am. All right, I'm gonna get to the Reddit stuff. I swear. How long have I been streaming? How long have I been streaming for? What? 40 minutes. Shoot. Shoot. Okay, let me see. Okay, that's one event. And then I'm gonna reconnect. And that's definitely two events. I did not notice this before. Man, reconnecting causes two events. But I don't know if post message got called twice too. Oh, okay, so yeah, it's just rebinding the thing, right? Post message. Yeah, I think it's probably because interpreter. Maybe because it's making a new interpreter. And it has all new listeners here. New event listener. Listener map. Yeah, actually, I wonder. If root doesn't equal null. New IPC. Is this also called twice? When I call connect, it might be yeah, let me see. Where is post message called? It's called here and here and there. How many times is it called? Okay, so let me see. IPC post message. Yeah, I mean, like, regardless, I probably shouldn't use this because it's reconnecting's not like a thing. So like, even if I fix, well, if I fix this, I guess, but like, yeah, that stinks. Shoot, man. Shoot. Yeah, it's not great. You know, it's not great. I definitely, yeah, we need to give this some thought on the reconnection. But I think for now I'll just have to deal with the dual building thing with the SSR and stuff, because at least I don't have to like deal with this. But there might be a way. I think it's just because I'm calling main again. If window IPC exists, right? And if I just set the WebSocket again, let's try it. That was my window.ipc. So it already exists here, right? Because otherwise it wouldn't be closing or closed. So here, I think closing or closed is also probably not great. Document, get element by ID, main. We can just query selector. Query selector, main. The interpreter. Maybe I shouldn't make a new interpreter. Maybe I should just have like a window. This dot interpreter. And then I could just connect needs the interpreter. But I've only separated it. I could just have connect be in here, right? And then I can have it have the, instead of separating it. Yeah. And then instead of passing anything, I can just call connect. Or we can call like new WebSocket, right? I like connect a little better. Yeah, we'll do new WebSocket. Okay, let me just try. So let me try this one thing, and then I'll get onto the. What is wrong? What is wrong with me? There we go. And then I'll get onto the sadness that is doing things on the front and the back end instead of over WebSockets. Yeah. What did I do here? Yeah, I guess I could do this, right? And then just have this return WebSocket. Oh, I did that. Okay. Okay, I think this will work. But I need the oh, maybe it's this though. Maybe I don't want to initialize, right? Maybe it's the initialize that does it. But yeah, here I can just do this dot root equals root. And then this dot root inner HTML. Where else is root called? Event. Okay, I think that's fine. And then, oh, I also needed this dot interval, right? Oh no, not this dot. This dot. Wait, why did I pass interpreter? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let me see. Yep. Let me see. All right, yeah, let's try it. Okay. Let's just check the WebSocket and we will see that there's one event that's sent, right? Okay, there's one event and then there's one response. And then if I disconnect and then we reconnect, okay, we've reconnected. Yeah, I think it's that initialize. Shoot, man. I don't know if I need to do that. Yeah, that didn't make any difference. Wait. What was I doing again? I called main again. But I did call this, but with nothing. Yeah, I didn't even try what I was doing. Window.ipc.connect. Yeah. Let's just do that. I didn't even do what I was doing. I have to do that all over again. Jeez, what a dummy. Okay, let me say this dot root equals root. And then I'll go, oops, not types, functions, there. Okay. Connect. Don't need that. What? What's up? 21 Givenchy. What's up? WSG. What is that? What's WSG? What does that mean? But yeah, I'm excited too. I'm super excited. I don't know why, but I'm just very excited. All right, let me see. This dot WS. Oh, I could just return. It returns. Oh, what's good? What's good? No, I get it. I get it. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing much. Just trying to debug this live view thing. Dioxus. Okay, let me see. This dot connect. And then we've got this dot root. This dot root. On error, set timeout main. So I think I just need to do, since I'm still in this thing, I can probably just call connect. And then this dot interpreter. And then, yeah, that's fine. Okay, yep. Yep. Okay, let me see. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. All right, let me see. Window IPC, okay. Connect, main, okay, cool. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Where am I? Okay, so it connected. All right. It's looking good. It's looking good. Events are working. One event to one response. Right? If I disconnect. Okay, reconnect. All right, is done. Okay. All right, so this is interesting. It called initialize again. Yeah, I might just not have it call initialize. Wait. Uh-oh. My events. Oh, wow. Okay, so I totally broke it. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Yeah, I totally broke this thing. Okay, so it's not even working. So I called connect on the window IPC instead of giving it a new IPC. I'm trying to reuse this, and it's broken now. So if I call connect, I do a new WebSocket. Oh, because yeah, I'm not setting the new WebSocket. We'll just do this. Because if I called connect, it doesn't actually internally set the WebSocket. Yeah, let's do that instead. All right, we'll just call this .connect like it's cool, you know? Okay, so then that, yeah, that's fine. Oh, and we also need to do this on all of this. All right, this. Okay, let's try again. Wait, what? Yes. Yes, that's this .connect. Yeah, exactly. Wait, not like this. What the heck? Wait, what did I do? This .connect? What did I do wrong? Let's see. This .connect and then window IPC connect. I set the WebSocket. I think it's okay now. I'm pretty sure I put this in front of everything. Right? Pretty sure? Okay. Oops. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? K. All right. Let me see. Console, can't find variable. Okay. All right. Oh, this. I missed a few WS's there. Oh, you know what I should do is just keep WS like this. And then we'll just do let. And then we'll just, at the end, we'll just say this dot WS equals WS. There we go. That makes it easier, I think. Wait, what did I just do? Oh my gosh, is my green screen falling out? Yeah, probably. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this is working. It's connected. The WebSocket has connected. Okay, there's one event, one response. We disconnect. All right, we reconnect. It has reconnected. We press the button. Nice. One event, one response. Nice. Nice. Okay, so that was it, right? That might have been my own problem that I created by not reuse it by making a new IPC, right? This is not like an idempotent. I didn't even know what was in here. Honestly, I still don't understand what's in here. But this is not idempotent at all. Like you cannot call this again. But yeah, so this works. This is cool. This is perfect. Okay, so if I don't close the server and I navigate away, right? Visibility change, and then I come back, right? Okay, so the WebSocket's still open. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, perfect. All right, so if it is closed, so like on Safari iOS or iOS Safari, I should be able to. This should ship. um, yeah, I don't know if this should ship. I feel like maybe not. But yeah, no, this is good. This is good. I do like this. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I feel like the quality bar is higher for in the repo, but yeah, this is like not tested at all. Just a little fire testing, smoke testing. Yeah, this is working. This is working pretty well. I think I might actually not have to use server functions. It feels like the stateless stuff. It feels like it's better, but I don't know. No one's gonna use my Reddit clone anyway. So, all right, how long have I been streaming for? Oh shoot, 57 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go like half an hour more because I really wanted to like abandon this project and start the Reddit clone thing. I also wanted to try to use Axum instead of Poem and instead of yeah, I wanted to use Axum instead of Poem and instead of Salvo because I it turns out Donut told me that I don't need CSRF tokens, so that means I don't need any of the complexity of Salvo or Poem, and I can just use Axum. So I think if I just use live view, I don't have to worry about multiple compilation steps, right? So I don't have to worry about like the front end WASM. I don't have to worry about like compiling Axum by itself. I don't have to worry about like okay SSR and things. One thing I would like to do though, which I can do, is like SSR on the initial live view connection, so it actually shows something, and then the JavaScript takes over, right? Because like right now it just shows nothing. Like if I if it was slow, it would be like this like flash of nothing, and then like suddenly the app the app shows up. But I do like this. I do like this. Okay, so we're gonna start a new we're gonna start a new project. Um, but yeah, I wish I could like automate the front end completely and just do event handlers like live view. So instead of over the WebSocket, I should look at this actually because I feel like this IPC thing is exactly what I want, and I can still use dioxus. Like I could use this IPC thing, but instead of sending it over the network, I can just I just handle all events from server side render dioxus and just change it in the DOM itself. I wonder if that's possible. Yeah, I wonder if that's possible. Build an app. Build an app. The pull AI bots has users iterating on users. Yeah, I mean, dude, that's honestly like the first. That's the first thing that I had to do, right? If I was really gonna try to compete and like make a good Reddit clone, um, I mean, there's Lemmy, I guess, which is good. It's federated or whatever, but I don't really understand like how federation is any better. You should just focus on the user experience of Reddit, and then like give the API for free and let third party clients go crazy and mods to give them full control of each of those subreddits. Um, and just never and just step away, right? Like put ads on there to like pay the server bills and like oh yeah, you won't be able to IPO, but like at least people have something that they love, and I'll just keep the servers running with the ad money. And I would love to do rev share with mods and like content creators, right? So like if you post a lot on Reddit, or you're a mod, you just get a cut of the ad revenue, right? That would be like my ideal Reddit clone. I don't really care about Federation or any of that stuff, but yeah. And at first, it would be like AI people, right? Like, because no one's gonna be on there, right? So it would make sense to just have uh, uh, LLMs like. I'm really like touching the screen. It would make sense to have LLMs like completely just spam the thing at first and make it seem like it's users talking to users. But yeah, um, yeah. Well, I would hate for just like Reddit over the past 10 years or 15 years to just be like fodder for the next ChatGPT, right? That would suck. Elon talk. What is that? What's Elon talk? Oh, is that like, oh, you talking about like Twitter or something? Wait, what? What? Seems good. Yeah. No, yeah, like that would be incredible. Like if it was just Reddit with no CEO, no team, just me, and like so you have it exactly like Reddit Karma. You have all little badges and stuff people love. Like the whole user experience, you just clone it, and then you just don't do anything. You just don't try to IPO. You just keep it. You're like, we're gonna be here till the end of the internet, right? And the ads are gonna keep us alive, hopefully, right? Or like donations or whatever. Like you could do donations, ads. You can do like a combination. But yeah, yeah, and it'd be sweet if people could pay people. Like I think on Reddit you can, right? I'm pretty sure that you can pay people to do things. Oh, I hate this UI. This is horrible. Like I think I would make it more like TikTok as well. Um, I turned into Elon. Maybe I should stop watching videos of Elon Musk. I think it's just kind of how I talk. I don't know if I'm like if I'm doing it on purpose or what. Yeah, maybe I should stop. Maybe it's like some kind of weird parasocial thing that I'm doing. I should definitely not sound like him. That's horrible. Reddit CEO really wants you to know that he doesn't care about your feedback. That is true. But yeah, I like this like these little custom things. Those are cool. And then like yeah, each subreddit. Yeah, I don't know. People try to clone Reddit, but they like do a weird job. Like Hacker News had like a bunch of Reddit clones um over the last like week. And it's like I don't really like I don't really best week. But yeah, non-IO, a Reddit like platform I've been working on, and it's like you go there, um, and it's like free to browse, paid to interact. It's like, dude, you've already lost, you know. Um, and then there's like they're like doing weird stuff where they're like pop-ups to like install the app or whatever. It's horrible. Um, yeah, I don't know. Like just let the mods run the site. You know what I mean? Like Hacker News essentially is Danji and like I think two other people. It's like, dude, Paul Graham does nothing. Like he literally doesn't come in and like, oh, let me write some arc today. No, he just lets it run. Yeah. All right. Okay, so let me. I should do web push on this uptime monitor because like right now, it doesn't tell you if the site's down. But I think I'm gonna try to. What? How long am I streaming for? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I said an hour. Dang it. That sucks. All right, let me just do like 20. Let me just do like 20 more minutes, and then I'll get back to work. All right. Let me see. This. I think. I think I need. Yeah. Let me just make sure. I don't have like. Okay. Good. All right. I can't even hear the little alerts unless there just are none. Right. Maybe I can hear them. There just aren't any. All right. Okay. So we're gonna start over. We're gonna start over. I'll probably like copy and paste this a bunch of times, but yeah. So I think yeah, we're actually gonna ship this though, right? Um better reconnect, I think. Yeah. Get push? Yeah. Yep. Nice. That's gonna take a while. All right. So in the meantime, I'm gonna I should walk behind. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did, and I think we're just gonna like set up the project and push it live, right? Like with like nothing, right? Just like with a hello world kind of. All right, so let's do cargo new. I guess you can't call it Reddit, right? What can you call it? Let's use domains.google while it's still up. Okay, let me see. Let's do domainer. Domainer will always be there. I think it's actually domainer.com now. Yep. Okay, let me see. What am I gonna do? Reddit? Should I ask ChatGPT to name this thing? Let me see. Maybe that's a thing. Moz, Moz with all these Z's. Maybe we can cut down the Z's. What does Moz mean? What does it mean? Urban Dictionary? Should I go to Urban Dictionary? Moz? Let's just do it. Is that a thing? No, it's not even a thing. To change the outcome of an event. Wait, what does this mean? What is God? I have no idea what's happening, but I'm here for it. You know, like I have no clue what's happening, but okay, yeah, four Z's, right? That's available. Let's do it. Does it mean anything bad? I don't think it means anything. Oh, perfect. All right, let's do it. All right, so we cut down the Z's, Moz. That's what we're gonna call it, right? Wait, why? I'm not gonna call it God mode. I'm pretty sure that's probably taken. I don't think I could get the .com for $10 for that. All right, so let's go to I should buy the domain, but I'm not gonna. I can just add more Z's, right? If someone keeps taking it, I'll just add more Z's. There's an AI called God mode. Oh, really? God mode AI. Let's see. Is to keep people safe while maintaining their personal. Oh my gosh, what is this? We make precognition possible. Get out of here. Get out of here. This is weird. Let me see. And God mode. Okay, so there's like something I can actually understand. God mode. Applications like Auto GPT, Agent GPT, Baby AGI, and God mode are building on OpenAI's large to automate tasks using ChatGPT. Where has a prompt for every new step, but with AI agents, all you need to do is give it an overarching goal and let it get to work. Yeah, okay. I've tried. I like small developer is pretty good. I should try this. But I love having control, you know. But I need to let go probably. I also need to not write Rust. I need to do like React because there's like so much more code out there, or like Django or something. Yeah. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I wonder how like in the end if like the code is any good from small developer. How many Z's did I say it was? How many how many Z's did we do? I think it was what was it? I think it was four Z's. It was four Z's. Yeah, it was four Z's. We'll try it. I'm doing React. Yeah. Okay. I is that a good name? I don't know. Who cares? I have no idea if that's what you meant that you wanted the name to be. Four? Yeah. Yeah, it's four Z's. Okay. All right, so we're just going to commit this, and then before I do anything else, I'm gonna actually set up. Um, I'm gonna actually set up so I could just git push and like have it go right. Git hooks post receive. Um, local, and then oops, remote. All right, this needs a little bit of editing. Same server. Wait, why did I close that? That was weird. All right, let me see. The app is this. with 4 Z's. Okay. App is here. App is here. Good, good, good. Oh, that's all I. Oh, wait. App. App. And then this also needs to be app. No more references. Good. Remote. Those are many git commands. Wow. It's a lot of git commands. Up, down, Moz with 4 Z's. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, so now I just have to roll over to the SSH server. Let's casually stroll over to my server. And then, which is $5 a month. And then we'll make a directory, Moz, right? Okay. And then we will do nothing, right? Because it's going to copy everything that it needs. All right, so then we'll try it out. We're going to try it. We're going to deploy basically nothing, right? Just a binary. All right, so then we'll get remote. Actually, wait. We need something else from the Git repository. We need the config. We need to see the config. We need to do this. This is what we need to do. There we go. Up, down, Moz. All right. Okay. So now I have my remotes, right? And we'll also, on GitHub, we will also do the same thing, right? We'll make the repository. All right. Of course it's available. Should I make it just open source it? Should I open source? No, we'll do private. We'll do private. It's going to be like horrible and no one wants to see this code. All right. All right. So I already have it. 4Z's, good to go. AI Reddit where you chat with bots directly. Yep. 100% bots. All right. Let me see. Git push. Right, let's give it a shot, see if it works. Oh shoot. Git push u origin main. Wait, it pushed to the thing, but nothing happened. Okay, good thing I'm doing this. Let's stroll over to why it's not working. Post receive. Okay. All right, let's look at local. It didn't do any of this. It definitely did not do this. Let's go to remote. I didn't see it do anything. Let's look at config maybe? Remote origin, 2 URLs. Let's check git config. Okay. I mean, it looks very similar. But I think the remote here looks different. Yeah, let's try git remote v. Nope, looks the same. Okay, let's do empty commit and see if it does nothing. Well, let's make sure that it's executable first. Oh my gosh, this is gonna drive me crazy. All right, moz.git, there we go. This operation must be, yeah, that's fine. Let's see, so we have the bear. Okay, so let's ls minus l. Is it executable? Post receive, it is executable. Let's just run post receive and see what happens. Okay, nothing's happening because it's in the while loop. Let's run local. Moz, no process found. Okay, it's copying. I don't know what it's copying. Why is it SCP? Did it build it? Cat local? We'll do git status Moz. Yeah, did it wait, git status. Oh yeah, that's you're talking about here. Yeah, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Yeah, that was crazy. Okay, so what did it copy? Oh my gosh, it actually copied a binary. Is it? Oh my gosh, it says hello world. What the heck? It worked. How come it worked? Okay. So only the post receive didn't work. Let's try an empty commit. Commit am, allow empty. That's crazy. I can't believe it actually copied and everything. Testing post receive. Okay, let's push. Let's change it. Let's actually change it. Hello from the server. Okay. And then let's commit it. Magic. Yeah, it is magic. Let's yeah, let me wait, why did cargo lock change? That's weird. Let's see, change the hello world message. Okay, let's get push. Yeah, the post receive is definitely not, I mean, it is executable, but it's definitely not firing. Maybe I have to, well, we can check the server, but yeah, I don't think it did anything. Yeah. Maybe I have to, how long have I been streaming for? I gotta get out of here and go back to work. Okay, I got like 3 minutes. Okay. Hooks post receipt. Wait. Hooks post receipt. Where am I? Oh my gosh, there is no post receipt. I never put it. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I changed up downs instead. So dumb. Bug mode. So dumb. Like, are you kidding? Let's see. Hooks post receive. I never even copied it over. I was never even unbelievable. Where am I? Like, what was I even looking at? Hooks post receipt. Wait, no way. It's there, right? Hooks post. Oh my gosh. It's not. Oh, I put it here. Oh my goodness, what a dummy. Dude, I didn't even put it in hooks. Dude, one of these days. Okay, now we go to hooks, and now we see local, and we see remote, and we see post receive. Unbelievable. All right, this is it. This is gonna be it. I can't believe that. So stupid. We'll just do this too and post receive on this. All right. Yeah. Okay. Hooks local. It's still right though. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's try it. With no exclamation point. There we go. Okay. All right. Okay. One more time. There it is. Oh, fastest compile ever. Fastest compile ever. Yeah, there's no process found. That's fine. I can live with that. I can live with no process found. You better start that SCP. Wait. Dude, nice. Nice. That's sweet. All right, cool. All right, well, that's it for me though, because I'm glad I got something on the server. Yeah, sweet, sweet. Thanks for hanging out. 21 give itchy, but I gotta take off. I gotta get back to work. All right. I'll probably be back. I'll try to be back tomorrow, but I somehow doubt it. Maybe on Monday.